Hello, students. As we discussed in the class about a student record system, here we are given a problem statement. You need to store the record of student where you are storing roll number and marks of any student. And you need to find out those students whose marks are missing and display their records. So I will help you to create this program. And here I have opened the decoder platform on my laptop. So we'll just try out that program. So first of all, we'll include some libraries here that are required. So these are the libraries which we require. And now we will need to store student record. So we'll create a class student. And inside this class, we'll be having some members. So let us make those members as private because we don't want to display this record to some other class. So first of all, we'll take it this roll number and then we'll take marks. So these are the two records we need to store and display. Then in the public section of this class, we create the constructor student, and in that we'll be passing two variables, that is R and M. R is for roll number and M is for marks. After that, we'll be specifying it. Roll number is R, comma, marks is M. That's it. So this is how we created the constructor to initialize those variables. Now we'll declare a getters method to get the data. So first of all, we need to get what? Roll number. Let's make n as capital and inside the bracket, let us make it as const. We're declaring it as const because we cannot change that roll number, and simply inside the definition return roll number. That's it. Now another getter method we should write here. Let us copy this method and instead of roll number, write here marks and return here marks. That's it. Now we need to write a logic for So here we'll comment and write check if marks are missing. Then we'll write here the function bool, that is of type bool because we have to return true or false, as marks missing. This is the method we are going to use, and let us make it as const. Then if marks are missing, this method will return what? Marks equals to -1. So if this expression will return true if marks are -1, otherwise false. Okay. So now we'll create another class. So this class is complete now. And we'll put here a semicolon. Now we'll create a class to manage student records. Now you need to create a class to manage student records. So here we'll create a class student records. So this is what we have created. Now inside this, we'll be having a private section. And in this private section, we'll be creating a vector of what type? Of type student. Because we have to store the record of students here. So that vector will be of type student and we'll name it as students. Once we have created this vector, we'll be using the public section. In this public section, add a student record. So we're commenting over here. So we'll create a function void add student record. In this, we'll pass two parameters, int roll number, comma, int marks. Now, in the definition of this function, as we have created a vector over here, so we'll put students dot push underscore back. This is a method where we can push records. So we'll call the constructor over here, student roll number, comma, marks. So this is how you can add a record. Now we'll create another function over here that will display the students with missing marks. So now we'll write here a function void display student with missing marks. Now here we need to make it as const, and inside the definition we'll write here cout student with missing marks. And let us give us a slash n over here. So give a new line character, and then we'll give here a for loop. Inside the for loop, we'll give const auto, and we'll pass the address of student, and we'll iterate over the vector students. And inside this loop, we'll be giving a if condition. And inside the if condition, if student dot has marks missing, this condition is true. We'll print here cout roll number and student dot get roll number marks missing and here we'll give an slash n. That's it. So this is how our class has been finished. Now we'll be writing here a main function, and in this main function we'll create an object of student records. Let us create that object as record, and let it make as records. Then take an integer n to find out how many number of students we are having. Then we'll take a cout. Inside that, we'll print enter the number of students and we'll write here a C in. So we need to take that value in. That's it. Now we'll create a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is less than n, semicolon, I plus plus. And inside that loop, we'll take a roll number and marks. Then we'll write here cout, enter the roll number of student. Students must be I plus 1. Semicolon. Then we'll write Cn roll number same thing we'll write for let us copy this and the marks of student I plus 1 and Cn marks. That's it. Once this is done, we'll call here records dot add student record, and inside that we will pass roll number, comma, so here copy this, we will call this function, and at the end we'll call the function, this function outside the loop. because to add student, we need to call this add function multiple times. Those many times, like we have n students, so we need to call this function n times. Once that record has been entered, we'll check how many students are having missing marks. Then simply we'll press here, we'll write here return 0. So this is how our program has been finished now. Let us run this program. So there is some error here. We have to give bracket over here. Let us run this program. Still we are having problem here. Oh, sorry, this bracket won't be removed. This bracket must be removed. So see, this program is running now. And we need to enter the number of students. Suppose we need to enter the record of 5 students. So roll number of student 1 might be 101. Marks are supposed 20. Then student 2 is 102. Marks are 15. Student 3, 103. Marks are -1. We already discussed those students whose marks are missing, will be giving them -1. Then roll number of student 4, that is 104. Then here also will be giving -1. And student 5 is 105. And here will be giving minus, let it be suppose 20. So there are 2 students, roll number 103 and 104. They are having marks missing. So that's it. This is how you can create the program. So you will be getting these programs in the description as well. So just find out the description link. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please go through these videos for more and more learning. Thank you.